What if you could fuel your body with the nutrients it craves, power your mind with unstoppable energy, and elevate your performance, all naturally? Let's break down the science behind these powerhouse ingredients and why they work. First up, vitamin B12, methylcobalamin. Your key to boundless energy and a razor-sharp nervous system. It's not just a vitamin, it's a game-changer for vitality. Then we've got calcium carbonate and di-calcium phosphate. Think of these as the foundation of your body. Strong bones, optimal muscle function, and a metabolism that stays in peak condition. Now let's talk performance. L-Arginine AKG and L-Arginine HCL. These compounds naturally boost nitric oxide levels, expanding blood vessels, increasing blood flow, and accelerating muscle growth. Translation: more endurance, better pumps, and improved recovery. For centuries, Muira Puama bark extract has been used for stamina and sexual wellness. And Epimedium Extract? It's legendary for supporting libido and overall vitality. If you're looking for natural enhancement, these are it. Ginger root extract isn't just for your tea. With its 5% gingerols, it's a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, keeping your body running smoothly and efficiently. And when you need an extra boost, natural coffee extract with 98% caffeine delivers clean, focused energy and mental clarity without the crash. To learn more, get back to the person who shared this video.